How to do blue comment on TikTok. If you're into TikTok and want to stand out with some unique eye-catching comments, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to do a blue comment on TikTok. First things first, open your TikTok and find a video that you want to comment on. Next, tap on the comment icon in the video. You know, the little speech bubble icon. This will open up the comment section where you can start typing your message. Now here's the cool part. In order to get your comment to show up in blue text, you need to use special character or text trick. Now what you need to understand is you can simply type in a simple message like whatever it's connected to the video and whatever people might want to search for later on. So when you type such messages, then the blue comment tick will be the blue comment will be on the TikTok. As you can see at the top, season and so now, these are the comment that people search for directly. And that's it. To get your comment on blue, you need to simply type in specific words that people might want to look after. And that's it. That's how you can simply get blue comment in TikTok.